That would have hurt because you would have hit that railing.
I know. And I fumble a lot. Like, literally, I do it so much. I'm like, I do it so much. I hope it doesn't look blurry. If mine looks blurry, I'm going to hit the cameras. So hopefully it doesn't.
Alright, everybody got to back up.
I know.
We all got to be in it. Hold on. I'm trying to go angle it this way so nobody's next to the pool.
Right. Because if you back up,
I will fall.
It's going to be hard to get 5 people in the picture, right?
I know. I think I'll be fine. Or move that. Let's move that so we can go a little bit more backer.
Just back up more.
Yeah, like let's move this.
And then go in like a half circle. We don't have to go straight line.
We can back up a little bit if we move.
Nah, that's too much back up. We're just going like a half circle. Okay. Just stay here.
Like that.
We have to do like a little patty cake moment. Like,
No, we don't.
I'm like, I win. I'm just kidding. All right, here we go. Oh no, get your waters.
waters.
Oh my God, yours is all broken and bit.
She bit the
fucking bit that
Nah,
shit.
man, Ryan got 2 in his hand.
He's stacking. He's stacking. Is it blurry still? It looks good. Okay, perfect. Okay. I'm gonna fall in the pool. I know I'm gonna be the bitch. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna put 10 seconds. Everybody put the water in the mouth. We gotta. Cause yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
10 seconds. Timer.
Oh my God, it's
Everybody
so
put the
good.
water in and stand like a half circle, like a horseshoe. I need to do this. Wait, I'm gonna say that we gotta do it again. Hold on.
Yeah.
Bro, you better get the fuck out of me, man.
I'm sorry. It's when I smack you, this shit broke. This shit broke.
You guys got the wrong tortillas. You have to get the raw, not cooked ones. Oh. Yeah. Everybody started just beating on Pedro. Everyone just starts beating on Pedro.
Why am I fuck me up for, bro?
Damn.
Look.
Why you put that in your mouth?
First one, I got you back.
Bro, this one might be good, bro.
We'll
I like this one. Watch her, watch Anna.
For no reason.
It's hard to get the people because it's like really wiggly. We need another one.
You ain't got enough for it.
Mine's broke.
This
last one.
Gosh. What, do you guys only got one pack?
Look, this nigga made a burrito.
These are ripping. These are ripping.
Holy shit.
They said more water. Okay.
Alright, look.
That's funny.
So, grab that one.
I am. Yeah. This motherfucker is hard on the ground. Here we go.
That's the one I smacked.
That one.
I smacked Ryan, that shit broke. I didn't expect that, so I put it on.
That one.
Y'all both did. Don't got one.
I didn't expect that to
Oh wait.
I think that was Lola's and she threw it.
Alright.
Oh shit, my water.
That second one was a fail.
Yeah, it was a fail. The tortillas are breaking.
First one's better.
First one's better. The tortillas suck. The first one. All our tortillas ripped as soon as we did it. The tortillas fucking ripped.
We're gonna post the first one.
Yeah, this one is perfect.
Damn, Pedro. Woo. You feel me? You spit like 5 times.
Wait, babe, do one with me. Because I'm trying to take my anger out. I'm just kidding. My anger out. I'm like, we's gonna go. This is couples therapy. I'm just kidding.
Hold on. Hold on. I stay there with you. Let me get my water.
I enjoyed that too much, nigga. That was fucking, you know?
Why did they look so serious?
Ah, fuck me, give me in the face. Give me first, bitch.
Damn! I'm not slap that hard.
I told Ryan to do one with me, and then they started doing one. I'm like, never mind. I'm drinking my water. Fuck this. Dude, that tortilla exploded. That tortilla exploded. That tortilla exploded. The last one that he got slapped with.
What's with the wind up? What? What are you doing?
It is hot out here, girl.
Dude, your tortillas are like 5 different pieces. Because my shit was hardening. He tried to slap the dog shit on me.
That one, it ripped. As soon as you slapped it,
exploded.
it exploded.
I saw its pieces in the pool. Do you still have a tortilla? No.
Yeah, it's right here, but I'm good.
There was a piece in the pool. Did somebody get it out? Did this thing come out?
I'm like, oh, hold on. If you, I'm gonna drink some, and then whoever spills has to take a shot.
Bro, that last one hurt, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. My cheek hurt.
I know the one that get on my face and hit me through my eye.
Fucking Ryan.
I heard bang!
He smacked dog shit out of me.
He used his hair.
He back now. Yeah, it's what it felt like. He did. Pow! He got me with his fingers instead of the fucking tortilla. That shit hurt. That shit hurt so bad. I slapped the shit out of him though. Got him back. My tortilla disintegrated. Just went what? Yep, now take it. You gotta take it.
Damn. These tortillas, whoever bought them, they were on fucking clearance. I know it. These shits are weak. These are weak. Don't get this bread. You have to get the raw, cooked ones. I mean, the flour tortillas. Oh my god, I'm all. There's no more tortillas. They're all in little pieces. They shredded. Oh shit, dude! You're gonna drop him in the pool, babe.
No.
All right, let me get my drink. It's in the inside. It's because there's so much flies out here, dude. There's like literally so many flies out here. Oh god. Yeah, that sounds mine. Okay, it's hot out there. It's so like Texas is hot heat. I see who wins. I know, right?
Just make some.
Oh.
Damn, how much did you put in these? They're strong.
They are strong. Let me grab a little bit of Coke.
You put Coke in it?
I did.
Oh.
I don't like the okay. I don't like the Red Bull. It makes me feel like jittery. Just a little bit of Coke. No, I was like, we're not gonna be able to do the flash show, because I was getting my nails done, and then the boys went to the Divine Clinic, and they barely got back home right now. So to go shopping, it's like really harder than I thought, because I don't have a car, and I was like, fuck, and then to go to the mall and buy the gifts that I normally do. Oh, someone's here, I think. And then I was like, oh, I'm just gonna do it next Friday. I'm gonna have to do it next Friday. And it's fucking, I know all that water we're fucking throwing, I'm like, we used to be drinking it. I know, it's wet. But anyways, we just wanted to do the challenge with you guys, and I'll be back live later on.
Yeah, we're in McAllen.
When we're hanging out and everything, we're gonna get some carne right now. Ooh. And vibe. I think that is the door, babe. I don't know if they don't hear it. So I'll come back live later. I just wanted to get that on fucking camera. I'm like, I'm gonna rewatch that. Okay. pull up my little baby here. It's fucking hot, girl. It's miserable hot out here. It's, oh, shit. Everyone's here. All right. Love you. Bye.